Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram swipe reply feature not working. So for this, first of all, just open the Instagram application in your mobile. Then you just have to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and go for this settings. Now I'm just going to scroll down and tap on this help. And from here, we just have to tap on this report a problem. And then once again click on report a problem here. Now I'm going to click where it says include and continue. So as you can see, we are now taken to this page right here. We need to write like this to Instagram. So you have to type something like this: I am missing the swipe reply option on my Instagram account. Please fix this for me because this is a very important function for my Instagram user experience. And now when you are done, just click on this send in the upper right corner, and hopefully just in a couple of business days they will solve your problem. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.